In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Zoho Projects. We'll walk through this using the current Zoho Projects interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each field means, so you can quickly create tasks and keep your work organized. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho Projects and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar listing all of your available projects. Take a moment to find the specific project where you want to add a new task. This is important because tasks always live inside a particular project, and choosing the right one from the start helps keep everything structured and easy to find later. Once you've located your project in the left sidebar, click on it. The main area of the screen will refresh and show you that project's overview. Now look toward the top of the page for the navigation bar. Here you'll see different sections, and one of them will be labeled Tasks. Go ahead and click on the Tasks tab. This takes you into the dedicated space where all tasks for this project are managed. Inside the Tasks section, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Add Task. This is your starting point for creating something new. Click on the Add Task button, and a form or pop-up window will appear, allowing you to enter the details of your new task. In this form, the first and most important field you'll see is the task name. Type in a clear, specific title that describes what needs to be done. For example, instead of writing something vague like website, try Update Homepage Banner Image. A descriptive task name makes it easier for you and your team to understand the work at a glance. Next, you'll need to select a task list. Task lists act like folders or categories within your project, helping you group related tasks together. Click on the Task List drop-down and choose the one that best matches the type of work you're adding this task to. If your project is already organized into phases or sections, simply pick the list that fits where this task belongs. Once you've entered the task name and chosen the appropriate task list, review your entries for a moment to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, click the Add button. Zoho Projects will create the task and display it in the task list you selected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a task in Zoho Projects using the current interface.